Waking up before the world does, before the noise, before the scroll. That's when I meet myself. And I always show up, making my bed, not for neatness, but for momentum. Win the first battle of the day. Cold showers, discipline, in 60 seconds. If I can conquer comfort, I can conquer anything. Daily walks, no phone, no distractions, just me and clarity. That's where my best ideas are born. 1 hour of deep work, no tabs, no phone, just pure, focused effort. Lifting heavy, mentally and physically. Iron sharpens everything. Drinking water like it's my superpower, because it is. Reading 10 pages a day, it rewired my thinking. My brain stopped craving chaos and started craving growth. Journaling. Some days it's messy, some days it's deep, but every day it's honest. One daily promise, kept, even if it's small. That's how I rebuild self-trust. No screen time, first hour. Protect your mind before the world floods it. Tracking my time, not to be perfect, but to stay aware. Most people don't even know where their time bleeds. Saying no, not to be rude, but to stay dangerous. Silence, every night, no music, no content, just me and the weight I carry. That's where healing begins. Daily movement, even when I'm tired. Motion destroys stagnation. Eating clean, not for abs, but for energy, for focus, for war. Keeping my space clean. Outer chaos equals inner chaos, so I clean like my life depends on it, because sometimes it does. 3 wins, every night, even if the win is, I didn't quit today. Speaking to myself with respect, because if I don't have my own back, who will? And finally, reminding myself daily, no one's coming to save me. I am the rescue plan. These 20 habits, they didn't change me overnight. They changed me, slowly, painfully, permanently. It was never about motivation. It was always about repetition, stacking tiny wins, building identity, evolving in silence. Because the loudest transformations happen quietly.